Since our founding in 1989 in Aydın, Nazilli, Retek has been at the forefront of recycling in our country. With over 34 years of experience, we have always prioritized the protection of our natural resources. As a 100% domestically owned Turkish company, we are committed to creating employment opportunities in our country, particularly in our beloved Nazilli, and contributing to the development of the national economy. At our company, we not only promote Turkish productivity on a global scale, but also prioritise the conservation of our country's natural resources through our recycling efforts. Our recycled products are essential not only for our domestic market, but also for the global community. Thanks to our exclusive quality certifications that few waste recycling companies in the world can claim, our consumers can trust and use all our safe and reliable products. At our company, we are committed to producing products that are 100% recyclable and made from 100% waste materials. Our product portfolio includes a wide range of items, including food, stationery, textiles, toys, and packaging products. At Retek, we are dedicated to our work, operating 24/7 with a strong commitment to the Nazilli community. Through our operations, we are proud to make a positive economic and environmental impact on this region. At Retek, we are proud to market products made entirely from waste to 79 countries, generating significant economic gains, not just for our company, but for the Turkish economy as a whole. Our positive impact on the sustainability of natural life has also earned us a place among the giants of the world.